Hi there, it's David Geldart from Lumicrest Lighting Solutions. Today I'm just going to quickly show you how to use the LED savings calculator, which you find on our website right down here at the bottom right. And the calculator is great for getting just a quick idea of how much money you might save for any projected LED lighting conversion project you might be thinking about. We're going to look at the case of a 75 watt halogen bulb being replaced with a 12 watt Apturi Par 30. So we choose 75 watts. We can choose any different type of light that you want, but we have a halogen here in this case. We're going to say it costs about $10 to buy one of those Par 30s. 13 cents a kilowatt hour is what we're paying in electricity. Choose from the menu something that's closer to what you're actually paying if it's not 13 cents a kilowatt hour. The simulation we're going to do is just for one bulb. And we're going to say that we use our Par 30 bulb existing lighting 12 hours a day, and it doesn't cost any labor, but in some cases if you're paying people to change your light bulbs, you might want to put in a labor component as well. So now for the LED replacement lighting section, we're putting in a 12 watt Apturi Par 30 halogen, which costs $48.79. We're going to look at the case of replacing one light. So we have existing lighting is our halogen, our replacement lighting is the LED. And LED lights can last 50,000 hours or more, but for the sake of being ultra conservative, we're going to say that it lasts 25,000 hours is our projected lifespan. Now we have a whole lot of different calculations here, which I'll go through in a minute, but the bottom line is you're going to want to know how many months it's going to take to make your investment worthwhile. So in this case study, 10.38 months is the time it's going to take you to pay back the extra initial investment that it's going to take you to do the LED lighting conversion. So basically, the LED light costs $48.79 each. The halogen bulb costs $10. That means the initial extra cost is $38.79. So now we look at some of these other calculations. The cost of existing bulb replacement bulbs during the LED lifespan. Now it says that we've saved $90 on existing replacement bulbs. What does that really mean? It means that the LED light lasts, we're saying, 25,000 hours at least. The lifespan of a halogen bulb is 2,500 hours, so that's 10 times as long, which means that over the lifespan of the LED, you're going to need to buy 10 halogen lights. In our simulation, we've already accounted for one here at the beginning, and so you need 9 more, and it costs you $90 in that case. So simply just on the basis of buying replacement bulbs, the LED light will save you $51.21. The labor component is 0 because we haven't said that our labor costs anything in this case, but if it did, you would see savings here as well. The existing bulb, being your halogen bulb, currently costs you $3.56 a month in electricity, based on 12 hours a day at 13 cents a kilowatt hour and 75 watt energy consumption. The LED light at 12 watt energy consumption for the same period of time will only cost 57 cents in electricity, thereby saving you $2.99 per month just on the one bulb. The total energy saving, if you take $2.99 a month, multiply it by the number of months in the 25,000 hours at 12 hours a day, will give you, that is calculated to $204.78 in energy savings. So your total savings, when you calculate the energy savings and the bulb savings and any prospective labor savings, in this case 0, just by replacing the one halogen bulb with the Apturi LED, you will save $255.99 over the 25,000 hour lifespan. Of course, if the lifespan actually turns out to be 35,000 hours, you will save even more money. So you can take any of these parameters and you could say, I'm only using 10 hours per day. In that case, my payback goes to 12 months. If I'm using 8 hours a day, the payback goes up to 15 months. So you can play around with any of these parameters and figure out really what the economics are for you to do the LED lighting conversion. Of course, in some areas you might get subsidies to offset some of these initial costs, but even if you don't, if you're paying full price with no subsidy, this will give you a very good idea of what it would give you in terms of a payback. If you were in a world where you could get a subsidy that accounted for, let's just say, $25 of this, almost 50%, so that would reduce, let's say that it reduced your cost of acquisition to $25, your payback would be ridiculously short, to like 5 months. So you can use this calculator for any of these types of what-if scenarios. And if any of this doesn't make sense, or you have any questions about it, or really about anything relating to lighting or LED lighting, we love to talk about lighting. So that's why we publish our phone number here at the top of our website really big. It's an 800 number. You can reach it from Canada and anywhere in the US. And give us a call, or simply drop us an email, use the contact form, ask us a question. If there's anything that you are interested in terms of lighting that you don't see on the website, we can help you with any of those things too. So that is a quick tour of the LED savings calculator, and we hope that was helpful, and hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.